Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another cooking video. So if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click that red subscribe button and become part of the family. So guys, today we are making samp with beans and oxtail. Sounds delicious, right? So first thing first, I started by washing my samp, then followed by me cleaning my beans. Guys, when guys, these beans sometimes have some stones and whatnot, right? So you have to wash your beans and remove those black ones and remove the stones and everything else that comes with it. So after washing, then I added my beans into my samp. So after adding the beans in the samp, so I ran some water. So after running some water there, I added this powder called top class spice mix. Guys, it was the very first time using it, right? And I believe it's used for chicken. Your girl here, never. I do not. When they use something for chicken, I'll use it for fish. Ooh, girl care. So anyways, so I've added that top class and I've added some beef cube, and I have cooked this on 15 minutes. Then I went ahead and cleaned my oxtail. Guys, I don't know, let me know if you are a fan of oxtail. I am definitely not a fan of oxtail. Tell me about lamb shank. Yeah, oxtail, amafuta, ngeke. So I really don't like oxtail. So I just cook it because my husband sometimes does request for it, and me don't know. It's never my idea. When I cook oxtail, just know it's not my idea. I refuse to generate ideas like this, cooking such things. So yeah, guys, I went ahead and seasoned my oxtail while it was in the sink, and I went and browned it. This is a nice process. I love browning meat. I'm locking all those flavors. And kereke seasoning like the season. No, we are drizzling. So yeah, because I have only one cooking pot, guys. Pressure cook. So when my samp was done, I had to put my oxtail into the pressure cook. So guys, I know I have taken long steps to cooking this oxtail, right? So now I dissolve my pot on 500 mils, that's 2 cups, that I'm going to use to cook this oxtail. Because it's a pressure cook, there's no need for you to add a whole lot of 1 liter. No, guys, don't do that. So yeah, that's more taking all the oxtail into the pressure cook. Yo, guys, then I added my rosemary and I added all the bouquet spices, and I've got this book. I forgot what's the actual name, but it's a mix of herbs put together, and I poured some melted pot. Then I cooked this for 40 minutes, right? So the reason I cooked it for 40 minutes, guys, is simply because I wanted to finish it in my normal pot. So I went ahead and used the oxtail oil. Reason for this, it's simply to carry the flavors, so I don't want to confuse my palate. So yeah, then I sauteed my onions, then I added all those curry stuff. I started with, I think that's chilies, ginger and garlic with some turmeric, and yeah, I started to mix everything. Then I mixed everything together so we can just cook, guys, and smell those aromas. So doing this, it will just open up those flavors. Then I went ahead and seasoned with my favorite spices. As you can use our Robertson's Venu, like there's no hard feelings. Just do any spice that you like. It's the method that matters. Whether I used Woolies spice, you're using Robertson's, or you're using some overseas spice, guys, as long as it's nice to you, obviously, and it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. It's how you do it, even if you don't use million spices, you use 2 or 3 spices. If you know how to cook, everything is just gonna taste good. I am not lying. So yeah, anyway, let's continue. Back to the pots. Yes, back to the pots. So I added some tomato paste with some sugar. So we don't want to have some heartburn. So while the paste and the spices are cooking, let's activate those aromas, right? Then I added my peppers. Then I added carrot. Then I put the thingy back. Those that oxtail. This oxtail, it was just a melt in your mouth. I'm not a fan, but anyway, it's not like if I'm not a fan, I'm not gonna do my best. I'll always do my best to bring good meal, or to give my husband a good meal. So yeah, that's how it looks. Oh guys, and another thing on this video, I've used no thickening sauce, those brown ones. Yeah, I've used it. I hardly use them. So yeah, I went ahead and added water so I can just dissolve all the spices under. So yeah guys, and then I've added this brown thing, it's like no brown don. I don't know whether it's not the brown onion. You see, I'm not good with this knorr thing. I'm definitely not good. So let me know which knorr would you actually recommend. I better start using. I want it's a no, to be precise, to know that I'm using their stuff and they must partner with me. Okay, so with your recommendations, I will definitely try them. So yeah guys, that's how the oxtail looked. It looked amazing. It tasted so good. You guys, I was telling you, this process of moving from a pressure cook to a pot, this is like all tricks. I was not comfortable using my pressure cook up until right then. I was still learning how my pressure cook works and what it can do. But right now, we're not doing 2 pots and a pressure cook, never. So the moral of this is to tell you, we learn every day. So my pressure cook dribbled me, but I was like, you know what, girl, I bought you because you're doing amazing things. I'm gonna try you. So that's why I tried. So that's my meal, guys. It tasted so good. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.